Hi, now we will go to the other shape profile like round and square. Before that we will remove this item from the screen. Okay, so whatever 3D objects there in the model space, we can remove it using the command. Before that we will come out of the shape editor command. Okay, so we have not applied this block, so once we cancel it, that block will automatically will go. Then left with the cylinder. To remove the cylinder, or that case any of the 3D relief we made, to remove from that layer we have to press this one like reset relief. Okay, so there is a shortcut also for that, shift delete together. If you do, then also the space will be blank. All the 3D relief will be removed from the space. Okay, now we will start with again shape editor. We will go to the shape editor. In that shape profile we have seen now already in the last class the plane, and now we will go for round and square. Both are works almost similar way, same way. This create a round shape, this create a square pyramid shape. Okay, now we will talk about round shape profile round. Okay, I have selected this rectangle, then I give the round shape. See, automatically no limit. That means in an angle 45 degree, because the surface is going like a 45 degree angle. How much height it automatically with that angle, how much up to what height it can come up, to that height it automatically will come. Okay, now the total value of the object is 12.536. okay, 12.536. so for this particular rectangle, when it goes with a 45 degree angle in the round profile, it can go up to height of 12.536. you got it? That is the total height of this object is 12.5. okay, so that is the first option, that is no limit options, where you are keeping the angle 45. If you are increasing the angle, automatically the height also will increase. Okay, because the angle you are going to increase, then automatically the height also will increase. When you decrease the angle, automatically the height also will decrease. You can see the height now became 8.109 with a 30 degree angle. Okay, so that way normally we keep it 45. Okay, so in 45 degree angle it reaches a height of 12.536. so in this first option, no limit option, round profile, it can achieve, this rectangular can achieve a height of 12.5 as just now we see. Now we will go to next option, that is limit to height. So now we it has reached a height of 12.5. I don't want a height of 12.5 because it's 45 degree maximum, it can go up to 12.5. so I don't want now 12.5. I want only height up to 10 or 9 or 8 like that. So I want to limit the height. Okay, I want to limit the height to a height of 8 mm. So what happens when it is limit to height, it will go with an angle 45 degree like that. When it reach 8 mm height, automatically the top portion become flat. That is what happens with the limit to height. So the profile height will be restricted to 8 mm. Now you can see the project height, relief height is 8 mm only. So that is the maximum height it reach. But the profile will be like this, that from it will forming the profile in the same fashion with the particular angle what we are given, and when it reaches that particular height what we have limited, that is 8 mm, it automatically become flat. if you want this profile to be made with in a full shape, I don't want a flat shape, I want to make it in a full round shape, but I want to keep the height 8 mm only. So what is the condition we have to drop is that the angle, if you are going with an angle and want a full round, means it will be it has to reach a height of 12.5, then only it will give a full round. But this case I want in 8 mm itself, I want the full round shape, 8 mm itself. So for that options we have to click scale to height. In scale to height, the height will be, total height will be 8 mm, and it will be creating a proper round shape, as you can see here also, round shape. So for that, what here to compromise, that it has to compromise the angle with which it forms, because if you are so it will automatically adapt to an angle with which it can reach 8 mm maximum height. So it override the value what we are given here, like it will not take this value 45 what we are written in this scale to height. Scale to height automatically it adjusts for an angle so that it can create a perfect round shape. So that is the difference of scale to height and limit to height. In both the cases, the total height will be what we had given there as 8 mm. Okay, so these three options are clear. One is no limit, where you are not giving any restriction to height. It will automatically form the shape with a whatever the angle we have given here. According to that, it will reach to the maximum height. Then once we see the maximum height for that angle, then we can limit below that only. So if it reaches 12.5, we can limit to 10 or 12 like that, below value only. Above value no point, below value only can we limit to height. Okay, so that value, that limit value we can give here as height, and the profile shape will be different. When limit to height, it will be flat in the top. Scale to height, it will create a perfect round shape, but the angle value it will compromise. Okay, it will take a different angle, it will not take the angle what is given here in this option, say scale to height option, so that